In this video, we're creating a clean and modern skeleton loader. The animated placeholder you see while real content is still loading. It's a subtle but powerful way to improve user experience, making waiting times feel faster and smoother. With just HTML and CSS, we'll design a sleek, shimmering effect that gives your interface a polished, professional look. In this video, we're building a modern skeleton loader, a simple yet effective UI pattern that improves the user experience during loading times. You've probably seen it many times, those soft gray shapes that pulse or shimmer on a page before the real content appears. The idea is simple but powerful. Instead of showing a blank screen or a spinning icon, we display lightweight placeholders that mimic the structure of the final content. This helps users understand what's coming and makes the wait feel shorter and smoother. Skeleton loaders are used in modern apps, dashboards, social media feeds, and even e-commerce sites, anywhere content loads dynamically. They provide visual feedback, reduce perceived waiting time, and make your app feel faster and more polished. It's simple, efficient, and adds a professional touch to any project. Simple, elegant, and built with just a few lines of code. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this tutorial, there's more on the way.